In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Google Sites as PDF. If you've ever wanted to turn a web page into a PDF document for offline access or for sharing, you know it can be handy in various situations. Specifically, if you're working with Google Sites and you want to create a PDF version of your site, I've got you covered. First things first, you'll need to log into your Google Sites. So start by navigating to Google Sites. Once there, you'll see the Sign In button. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your email address. After typing in your email, click Next, then enter your password on the following screen and finalize the sign-in process by clicking Sign In once more. After successfully logging in, the next step is to select the specific site you wish to convert into a PDF. From your Google Sites dashboard, click on the site you're interested in. This action will take you into the editing mode for that site, where you can see all the details and content currently on your site. Once you're in the editing mode of your site, look for the Publish button, typically found in the top right corner of the screen. Next to this button, you'll notice a small drop-down arrow. Click on this to reveal additional options. From the drop-down menu that appears, select View Publish Site. This action will open a new tab in your browser, displaying your site as it appears publicly on the web. It's crucial to view the published version of your site because this is the version you'll want to save as a PDF. Now, with your site's published version open, navigate to your browser's menu. This is typically represented by three dots located at the top right corner of your browser window. Clicking these three dots will open the browser's main menu, offering several options for you to choose from. Among these options, look for Print. Clicking Print will open your browser's printing options. Here's where the magic happens. Instead of printing your site on paper, you'll convert it into a PDF file. In the Printing Options window, locate the Destination Printer drop-down menu. You'll want to change the selected printer to Save as PDF. This option will redirect the output of the printing process to a PDF file, instead of sending it to an actual printer. After selecting Save as PDF, you may adjust other settings as needed, like the layout orientation or which pages you'd like to include in your PDF. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click the Save button, and you'll be prompted to choose a location on your computer to save the PDF file. Pick your desired location, give your file a name, and click Save. And that's it. You've just converted your Google site into a PDF document, ready for whatever needs you have, be it sharing, archiving, or offline viewing. Remember, this process works best for sites that are already published and visible on the web. If you're trying to save a draft version of your site, make sure to publish it first, even if momentarily, to perform these steps. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Converting a Google site to a PDF can be very useful for a variety of purposes, and now you know exactly how to do it. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks.